This is Rafa, and today I'm going to show you something that is totally out of my ballpark. It is the sixth covenant AHdamic principle, which is how to get in shape. Now, I'm not in shape, so don't look at the body and process, but this is an amazing workout that I'm going to try to show you how to use. It's very simple to memorize. You start with the legs. You start with the calves and your feet. And then you work up to your thighs. And then you do your stomach and your mid part. And then you do your chest. And then you do your arms. And then you do your neck. You know, can you remember all that? It's pretty easy. If you can go from up all the way up, you got it. Now, each one of these exercises, there's 7 of them, and each one of them is 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, a minute, 77 seconds in the old days. So this is designed to do 1 minute at your maximum. Now, I'm not going to do the whole minute for you. I'm going to do an example of it so that you know how you can do it. And I'll guarantee you, if you will do this 7 minutes a day, and then you work up to 2 7 minutes, and then you work up to 3 7 minutes, by the time you get up to 7 minutes, that's a 49-minute workout. You are going to be in tip-top shape, 1 of a million. All right, first one is this. First of all, you get the word of Yah in your mind and in your spirit. You know, think of a verse. Think of something that makes you happy. Think of something that comes out of you. I'm going to think of this one today. The joy of YAHUWah is my strength. It's my strength. Yeah, he's made me to live forever for him. Wow, that's good stuff. So, the scripture says you start out running fast as you can, you know, and that just means you can run in place or you can run down the road, either way. But you do it, you ramp it up, and you get it going. And I mean, you pump it, you know, you go, baby, and you go for 77 seconds like that. See my picture? Sorry. Okay. But anyway, do it for 77 seconds, all right? You know why I'm not doing 77 seconds? Because Fat Boy Rafa couldn't make it right now. But I will join you one of these days. Right now, you do it for 77 seconds. Do what I say, not what I do. Got that? Okay. Second one is this. All right, squats. It's real simple. You bend down. Oh, God. All as far as you can down. Lower the landing gear. And then you jump up. That's right. You got it? And then you do it again. And you jump up. And if you can't jump up, you go, something like that. Whatever you can do. You know, if you're old and crippled, just kind of do whatever you can do. You know, start where you are. Use what you got. Got it? Okay. We're going to be barbarians in this. We're going to leave. I mean, YAHUWah gives you freedom. You know, do it as what makes sense to you. Just start. Start doing it. And you'll start feeling strength, vitality coming into you like you've never felt before. Okay, by the time you do a minute of the run, a minute of the squats, you are exhausted. You don't believe me? You try it. All right, now, the part I hate. Because I need it so much. Usually the part that you don't like is what you need the most. You know what these are? You got an option. You can either do sit-ups, have somebody holding your feet or stick them under a log or under a bed or something like that and do the sit-ups. Or you just lay on your back and you lift your legs up and you can flutter kick them, spread them out this way, do all kind of combinations. 1 minute. Now, if you're like me, I got a tendency to want, if I'm counting myself, you know, I go 45, 46, 77. I'm through. No, that's not right. You know, we need to be honest about it because, look, nobody's looking except YAHUWah and a couple of billion angels, you know, and they're just going to make fun of you if you cheat. So my suggestion is don't cheat because if you do cheat, they're going to make fun of you in heaven. And I'd rather just go on and do it right down here so they don't make so much fun of us up there. All right? Now, all right, we do our stomach exercises, you know. Then you roll over on your stomach, and then you rock back and forth. You raise your hands up and your legs up, and that's really hard for me because I got a shoulder that I got shot, got a bullet in it. Man, it hurts to raise that thing up. Oh, if you got something like that, stretch it, and it'll hurt. No pain, no gain. Let it hurt. It's going to hurt. You think you're going to have a heart attack? Good. Have your heart attack, get over it, and keep on going. You know, I mean, don't be a pansy about it. Use what you have, and whatever hurts, let it hurt. It's going to hurt, but it's going to hurt less tomorrow than it did today. So the more you let it hurt, the better off you're going to feel. That's right. I'm just telling you. If you have a good workout, you're going to hurt. There is no way around it. All these other people telling you these pansy stuff, it doesn't work. Pain is gain. Simple. Okay. All right, now we've done our stomach thing. We've done our back exercises, roll back and forward, boom, 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 like a whale down there. Feel like an idiot, that's okay. Only the angels are watching. And as long as you're trying, they ain't going to make fun of you. But if you cheat, they're going to make fun of you. So that ain't fun. All right, now we work up to the chest. Simple push-ups. 1 minute, much as you can. Now, if you're like me, you cheat a little bit. The real ones, back when I was in the military, you go all the way down and touch your nose. That's the best ones to have. It's actually better to do those than it is to do more of the, kind of boop, 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 boop kind of thing. But you think you're better because if you count 70 of the kind of kind of butterfly, wimp push-ups than if you do it the full things. But the full ones are much better for you. But do them as fast as you can for 1 minute. I mean, that's what you'll be doing. But better, my advice is do it in private. Don't do it with your lovey, especially without it with your lovey, because you're going to look like a fool, and better look like a fool by yourself until you kind of get up and you got a little confidence of yourself, and then you can rock and roll. Then you can say, hey, honey, want to come work out a little bit? But that's after you know what you can do. It's just Rafa giving you a little advice on how to look good with your honey, okay? And, believe me, working out with your baby love, yeah, baby. There's some, anyway, we won't get on it. Okay, then your arms, and you do your arms, just grab something that's right for you. Again, my right shoulder is horrible. It pops. I hear tendons and all kind of stuff crinkling and crackling in there. And they said, you got your option of going doing this expensive physio. And I'm grateful for the physiotherapists and stuff. They're very good. They know what they're talking about. If you got access to one, do it. If you don't, just get you something. Start working it out. Build up the muscle. Build up the sinews. All I can tell you is it works if you'll work. You'll help those who helping themselves. And do everything you can think of. This. You can do it backwards. If you got weights, that's great. If you just got nothing but some bricks out there, that's great. Use those. Hold them out there as much as you can. And boy, my right shoulder hurts like the devil. Do it. And, it'll start getting better. Start lifting them up. Even if you got something that hurts on you and everything, push it, push it, push it. Pain is gain. And then here's the next thing. If you come over here, and here's on your neck, if you can get down by some kind of a pole or something like that, now you can put your head just against it like that. If you're hard-headed like me, it won't hurt you. But if you're not hard-headed, you put your fingers up there so you can push against your finger, and you just push as hard as you can. Do it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds that side. Turn around over here. 30 seconds this side. We're getting there as fast as you can, hard as you can go. And then do your head down like this. Push it down and push up. You just use your own arms. Get your neck strong. All right, then you're through. 7 minutes. I did this in less than 7 minutes. Well, we're going to be working on this together, but we're going to be in shape. This is Rafa. Have a blessed day.